How to change Instagram story from close friends to public. So all you have to do is to go here to your Instagram application. Now, let's say you have, let's say here, as you, if you tap on here, you will see I have posted a Instagram story here set into close friends. So on the upper part, you'll see green there, green star. If you tap on that, you will see here my close friends. So to be able to actually change your Instagram from close friends is here, tap on more here. If you tap on more, tap on story settings, you will not see any options for that to change it from close friend to everyone. So what you have to do is to actually delete your story here, delete your story and create a new story with the same content or the same picture there. Say this one again and tap on your stories here and set it to public. So basically, that is the only way you can set your Instagram from close friends to public, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.